Hi mga Philips! Andito kami ngayon sa mall. Pinuntahan namin si Jollibee. Kakain kami ng Jollibee. There, Jollibee stop.
Oh, really?
We'll be eating Jollibee today. Bimcom Center. Let's go eat some Jollibee. I'm waiting for Jollibee. Ganito ang mall nila sa loob. We need to follow them. Ito na yung mga staff ng Jollibee. Sundan namin sila. We'll follow them. Because we don't know where's Jollibee is. We're following them. This is the mall. The Jollibee is inside the mall.
In Uniqlo, it's cheaper.
Okay, let's check later. See you in Jollibee! Mga Philnips. Ang laki ng mall na to. Ilang floor na ba kami? 5, 6, 7 floors ata siya. Wala pa rin si Jollibee. Asan na yung stock? Babe, where are they? They're nasa tuktok ata yung Jollibee sa food court. Last, floor. Mga Philnips, ito na siya. Ang pinaka-iniintay ko. Andito na.
Full man.
Wow, Jollibee, kamusta ka na? Let's go!
20 stuff, more than 20 stuff.
Come to Jollibee, Philnips, in Vietnam. After so many years. I'm gonna eat Jollibee. Yeah. Jollibee! Ano nyo? Busy, babe? Let's go!
After nga ng napakahabang pila, turn ko na para umorder. Buti na lang itong si ate, binigyan ako ng English translation ng menu nila kasi lahat siya in Vietnamese language, so wala talaga akong maintindihan ni isa.
Wala silang gravy, ketchup, saka spicy sauce lang ang meron. Ito ang aming binili. Spaghetti with chicken, barbecue fries, peach mango, spicy chicken. Let's eat! Ang busy dito. Hindi makabigil. Order din tayo ng burger. Chicken burger.